Did you ever imagine Nicki Minaj becoming the ultimate MAGA queen? Well, brace yourselves, because the Anaconda rapper just took her political allegiance to a whole new jaw-dropping level. Thursday night saw Nicki absolutely slay the red carpet, not for a music award, but for the highly anticipated Melania film premiere right in Washington, D.C. Our exclusive insights reveal she was dressed to the nines, rubbing shoulders with the absolute titans of the MAGA movement at the iconic Kennedy Center. We're talking about none other than President Donald Trump, the fabulous Melania Trump herself, Don Jr., his fiancée Bettina Anderson, and even Dr. Phil. Yes, you heard that right. TMZ even snagged some super candid video of Nicki shaking hands and getting cozy with the political elite on an upper tier, proving her all-out MAGA tour is no joke. Melania Trump gave a special speech, thanking the president and Barron before the lights went down, leaving everyone buzzing about Nicki's unwavering support. It's clear Nicki is now Donald's best bud, making waves and sparking countless debates across the internet. Don't miss out on more shocking celeb transformations. Hit that subscribe button now for all the piping hot tea.
Be in the know with Hollywood gossip. Subscribe for comprehensive coverage.